The two main types of business cards are business professional and creative. Business professional type cards are usually used when a larger company gives their employees their own business cards. Typically, they aren't too flashy and only give basic information like your name, your number, email, and maybe the department that you work in, or something like that. Doctors are great examples of business formal type business cards. Creative cards can be a little more flashy. The objective of creating business cards is to have the card stand out from the crowd. The idea is to be different and memorable. If you're a small business owner, you're probably going to want a creative type card. In 2021, as corporate America slowly declines in popularity, good-paying jobs are becoming harder and harder to find. Many Americans are turning to entrepreneurship and starting their own businesses. Blah and boring might be okay if you're a huge company, but it's important for small businesses to get as many customers as possible. Here's a few tips on creating business cards that'll help you stand out. Number 1, use a background font that's fun, but also legible. There's no sense in having an awesome business card unless it's easy to read. Number 2, I'm a strong believer in having a photo of yourself on the business card so that later on, people will know exactly who it was they were talking to when they're looking at the card. My Rolodex is huge, and even though in the moment my conversations were fantastic, I even have a hard time remembering who everyone was. Number 3, be concise and don't overload the card with information. Cards are already pretty small. It's okay to have some fun stuff happening on the card. However, make sure it doesn't get too cluttered. The next time you decide to design a business card, keep those 3 things in mind, and your business card will be more effective.